In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change notes color on Instagram. This feature adds a little personality to your notes, which are those short status style messages that appear at the top of your direct messages. Because it's part of a recent rollout, the very first thing we'll do is make sure your app is up to date so the color options show up as expected. Open the Google Play Store and look up Instagram. If you see an update button, tap it and give it a moment to install. Keeping the app current is important because older versions may not include the color tools. Once it's updated, open Instagram. If you still don't see the feature after updating, don't worry, rollouts can take time and it may reach your account a little later. Now let's get into notes. From your Instagram home screen, tap the messaging icon in the top right to open your DMs. At the very top of your inbox, you'll see the notes section. Tap your profile icon there or tap the prompt that says what's new to start a new note. So before you type anything, press and hold the blank note field. That long press opens the bubble editor with the color palettes. You'll see options like pink and purple, red and peach, yellow and orange, blue and green, and more, depending on what's available to you. Swipe through the palettes to preview the different combinations and pick the one that fits your vibe. Choosing a color here changes the background tint of your note bubble, helping it stand out to your followers and close friends. With your color selected, type your note. Remember, notes are short and sweet, up to 60 characters, so keep it concise. If you need to reword something or test a different palette, you can adjust before posting. When you're happy with the text and the color, tap Apply to lock in your choice and then tap Share to publish it to your notes bar. Your colorful note will now appear at the top of DMs for people who can see your notes. If the color editor doesn't appear, when you long press, double check that you've updated the app and try again later, since the feature may still be rolling out to your region or account. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Instagram note color and given your status a fresh look. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Instagram tips and tutorials.